Blockchain technology and the decentralized nature of the solutions it offers are being used in every sector in today's world, and it isn't only restricted to the financial sector as it first started. This technology is in continuous development to allow us to have more freedom in the way we live by taking the power from the controlling few. Blockchain technology is the basis that is paving the way for Web 3.0 and for a completely different world. What makes blockchain technology the foundation of such impactful changes is that it is mainly decentralized. Every transaction that is made on every blockchain is recorded on a public ledger on the network. And for that to function properly, participants of the blockchain need to have a certain mechanism in place to help them agree on which transactions are to be validated and which shouldn't. While Bitcoin first introduced the proof-of-work system, new systems have followed, such as the proof-of-stake. Another consensus mechanism has been adapted from an algorithm that was created before the blockchain was even on the table, and it is now being reused as a consensus mechanism along with POW and POS. This alternative mechanism is called the Byzantine Fault Tolerance, or BFT. What is the BFT and how does it work? What are the benefits it brings to the technology as a consensus mechanism, and what are its downsides? Which blockchains use BFT? Listen up as we go over everything you need to know about Byzantine Fault Tolerance. How does BFT work? Having a consensus mechanism is a crucial aspect of the decentralized blockchain technology, yet it is also its most challenging facet. Most, if not all nodes, which are the computers functioning on a blockchain network, need to agree and validate the information or the transactions made. This ensures that the system is functioning properly. The Byzantine fault tolerance algorithm was first introduced by Miguel Castro and Barbaliskov in the 1990s. Its main concept dates even further back to 1982 and was developed with military tactics in mind, which was known as the Byzantine Generals Problem. It depicted several Byzantine generals and their troops surrounding a city before attacking it. Each one needs to command his troops and is able to send one message at a time to other generals, and they need to coordinate and agree on a certain plan and take action simultaneously. This wouldn't be a problem unless some of those generals proved to be unloyal. So how does this concept apply to blockchain technology? The Byzantine fault tolerance takes this concept and further applies it as a consensus mechanism. The foundation of BFT can be visible when all nodes repeat an incoming message. If a node does not repeat the same message, then a Byzantine node can be detected. This node is considered the traitor node, which might mislead other nodes in the network. So the main function of BFT is to locate the failure and reduce the impact that a malicious node might do on the network as a whole. There are two different types of Byzantine failures, one of which might turn out to be a technical fault. Sometimes a node could stop responding or even stop working at all, which would ultimately impact its functionality. The second type of Byzantine failure is known as an arbitrary node failure. In this case, a node could fail to return any results, provide incorrect responses, respond by deliberately misleading answers, or provide different results for a single query and send them to different components of the system. All such challenges and faulty nodes are overcome by BFT effectively. The mechanism successfully protects the network from such failures and ensures that the network is functioning properly. Since the BFT was first created, there have been many improvements to its algorithm, perfecting its functionality and smooth process. What are the benefits of BFT? With an algorithm like BFT, the consensus mechanism has alternative methods to the traditional proof-of-work system first introduced with the Bitcoin blockchain. BFT as a consensus mechanism has several advantages. First, the BFT model provides better transaction speed and flexibility. When all nodes agree on a certain block, it is completed and locked to a blockchain. In contrast, a system like proof-of-work employed by Bitcoin needs confirmation, which affects its scalability. BFT is also environmentally friendly. This algorithm does not need extensive usage of energy or power to function as POW does. What are the downsides of BFT? The classic BFT model restricts the consensus mechanism to a small group, so that it avoids large volumes of communication between nodes. On another note, the idea of message authentication presents some concerns by not being completely efficient. However, there are many blockchain networks that chose to use BFT instead of other consensus mechanisms. These include Hyperledger Fabric, Tendermint, and Zalika. The innovative technology has driven many people to try and take advantage of the decentralized system for their own benefit. The Byzantine fault tolerance provides a practical solution that allows detecting malicious users on a blockchain. Yet it still comes with its limitations. Now that you know about BFT, tell us in the comments below your thoughts. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more informational videos such as this one. See you in the next one.